I'm gonna go figure out this car thing. As much as I want to avoid it, I gotta take care of it. See if there's a place nearby that can fix it. And if it's not a ridiculous price, I'll get it fixed. I also want to hit up at Sand Mountain, but I'm concerned because last time I drove out to Utah in 2021, I left my guitar in my car in hot temperature and it morphed the wood. So that's what I'd be doing if I did that today. Pulling into Big Brand Tire Service. They can hear me coming. Three of them are staring at me. This is hilarious. Yeah, you can already hear it. Hi guys. Yeah, right. Yeah, there's just something loose under the car. I've already seen it. I don't know if you guys could push it up or just knock it out. I mean, if you guys could take a look at it, that'd be great.
Come on in.
Okay, thanks.
$25 on here for you. How's that?
For like a discount?
Huh?
What do you mean?
I'm gonna put $25 on here, bring it in, resecure that thing, get you back on the road.
Oh, gotcha. Thank you. Yeah, that's great. All right, they're gonna take care of it. I have to get some food. I really don't want to do this, but I'm going to DQ. Is it possible to get air in the tires as well?
Yeah, I'll take your time. Thanks.
Can ask for a free car wash too. I got my car washed yesterday or the day before. I was trying to find lockers or something to place something. All right, the car is fixed. No more noise. Perfect. I do want to go back to Sand Mountain and ride down it and just check it out. I was asking if there's any lockers or anything I could just put my guitar in and stuff, just so it's not in the heat. And they suggested this UPS store. I don't know. I'll show you in a second. And I just called them, and they said it'd be okay if I left my guitar and stuff with them and the AC. So it'd be super nice, and I don't have to worry about that.
Eric the Ripper.
Yeah, play Jack the Ripper.
Cool. Oh, and so then if we scan that barcode,
Right, so
we
that-
can hear you.
So that like so. But once I pick up speed, stuff like that. So.
You just, you know what I do if I hear noises? I turn up my music really loud
sure.
and just drive.
Right. Then no one will hear it. So I was like,
Well, I don't hear it, and that's the main thing.
right. Okay. This brings my faith back in humanity. So nice. I just left my guitar, speaker, pedal board, laptop in there, and I'm gonna go have some fun on Sand Mountain and come back for it and then go to Lake Tahoe. What a day. Alright, I was stuck briefly again in the sand, but reversed it and we're okay. I've parked up here now. I'm just gonna have to walk up there. Get some sunscreen on. It's hot. Alright, the sand's probably gonna be really hot, but I'm here. Let's try it. I have no idea if this is gonna work. I'll try it a few times. It's pretty fucking hot. I don't like sand. It's coarse and it's rough and it's irritating and it gets everywhere. I'm going to attempt going down. I'm not going to the top. I'll try this divot right here. Here we go. I don't even know if this will work. Yeah, this isn't working. Fuck. It's not gonna work. It's a nice view, but can't ride it. I don't need to climb up to the top. It's fine. It's too hot. I got places to go. Oh, have you tried it the other way? Damn. Oh my God, that's hot. Oh, fuck me. Oh, no, my hat. Oh, now the sand is getting in my shoes. Whoa. Oh. Sorry. I just over dramatize everything. Day 45. Still stuck in the desert. No sign of hope. Hope to see my wife again. Alright, goodbye, Sand Mountain. Time to go grab my guitar and off to Lake Tahoe. I'll go get my stuff. Hopefully they haven't sold it. I'm gonna have to sing a song for them for payment. We'll see. If I do, I'll keep video. I think the temperature in my car says 96 degrees right now. Alright, here we go. Get my guitar back.
Well, out here in the field, well, I fight for my meals.
Good job. I recorded you.
That's so fun. That is awesome.
Yeah, you did
One
wonderful.
of my favorite songs. Thank you.
Very talented.
Thank you. I'll play an original if you guys want it.
Yeah.
And that'll be
Play
on
all you want.
Alright, this one's on my latest album. This song is called Hanging On Barely.
Oh, watch your step. You might fall and never come back. And you need your ass to get back on your feet.
I like that one.
Thank you.
I like your voice in that one.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just sit there and smile. When you sing, you don't look up.
I know. Well, it's more of an intimate spot. I don't know. I'm singing my feelings to you guys.
Yeah, you
This is
are.
my therapy, you know.
I like that one. That
You
was
did
fun. You
wonderful.
made our day. You made my
Awesome.
day.
I'm glad. Thank you.
Yeah.
What'd I tell you? I knew I'd play songs today. Let's go. So I was here like 3 years ago with my cruise ship buddy Dustin, and I think this is the road we took because this is looking familiar. I made it. So we're in Nevada. About to cross the border. Oh, I'm playing there. Oh, sweet. And just like that, we're in California.
Nomad son of a bitch.
I'm good, man.
What are these snacks?
Oh, I know. I got.
Fucking underwear and socks and shit everywhere.
Yeah, there's underwear, socks, everything, dude. I took the underwear. I went to hot springs yesterday, and then it started raining. I put the shorts on. I was like, I don't need the underwear. So that's that underwear.
Nice.
Yeah, but dude,
How you feeling?
Good. It's
You're
so.
just fucking sand all over you and shit. Fucking dirt.
Yeah, I know, man. I was on the fucking sand mountain and falling all over. Yeah, I need. Hopefully, there's some water nearby to wash it all off.
Welcome to paradise, sir.
Thanks, dude. I'm so happy to be here.
How's the old rig holding up?
Not bad. I'll show you in a second, but I actually, so the sand mountain I went to yesterday, I started to go into, then realized my Honda is not meant for that. So I started to get like a little bit stuck. And as I was reversing it, I hit something, and then something was just dragging under my car. Oh shit. So this is the noise it's making. It sounded like white trash.
Is it still down there?
So this morning, I got it fixed this morning. Buddy, you remember me? Oh,
This guy.
yeah. You remember?
That's Eric. That's our friend Eric. That's Eric. That's Eric.
Do you remember my smell from Key West?
Did I send you the picture of those bears that one day?
You sent me a picture or a video of the bear coming to your gig and looking in the trash.
Hey, this way. Go. Over here. Yeah, let's go get a homegirl and I went to the beach. It's like what we teach. Kind of like don't be a fucking douchebag and fucking things are good.
Let me write that down. Don't be a douchebag.
This is Cascade Lake.
Man, this looks beautiful.
That's Emerald Bay over there. You see the island now.
Yeah.
Sometimes. I'm like, why? No, stop. Making me
Hit up the tiki house, get a drink.
Tiki bar. Flowers. Oh, we got those buckets.
Might have another chance at fame.
You still got it. I'm gonna go check out the hostel, and then I'm gonna go to this open mic night and meet a bunch of people and have some fun.
Hey, man.
Hey, how you doing?
I believe we do. Do you want to go to the lobby and I can...
Sure, yeah.
You don't have a reservation, do you?
I do not.
So tonight, for example, it's $33. You know it's a hostel, like a
Yeah.
dorm style. I can show you around if you're interested.
Sure.
But tonight, it's 33 plus tax comes out to... Where are you coming from?
I'm originally from Michigan, but I drove from Nashville.
Oh, wow. Cool, man.
I've been Nashville on this whole tour, so this is my final destination.
What tour?
I set up a tour for myself.
That is so awesome.
I hit up St. Louis, Kansas City, and drove through Nevada, and I got here today. I've been on the road for like 2.5, 3 weeks.
Dude, that's so cool. Good for you, man.
Thank you.
Super cool.
Thank you. Yeah, it's been fun so far. All right, got a room for tonight at least at the hostel, and I'm gonna go to the open mic jam and see who I meet, and see what happens from there.
Dope as fuck.
Oh my god, it's this. Are you ready? Can we get another two?
Am I on this?
Yeah, we're just talking, we're having a good time. Wait, show me your family. Oh, I thought that was a Choco Taco. I got so excited. It's a s'more, everybody. It's a s'more.
It's a small.
It's a s'more, not a Choco Taco. Do you use Facebook?
The bad man.
Or else we're gonna quickly hold on.
That's a job. Just old man's.
He's just old.
She's.
I think this is Mike.
If you're in the lake, there's a river over here, the Truckee River.
Are you a wolf? Wolf? What are you? Are you a wolf? The fuck? What are you staring me down for?